In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and TikTok. We'll walk through how to use a quick Google search to reach TikTok's official website and then navigate to the support section to find help specifically for network problems. I'll keep things simple and clear so you can follow along easily. Start by heading to Google and searching for TikTok. In the results, look for the official listing that reads TikTok, Make Your Day. Before you click, take a second to confirm the link points to the official domain, which should include TikTok.com. This small check helps you avoid lookalike sites and ensures you land exactly where you need to be. Once you're on the TikTok website, locate the option labeled More. Depending on your screen size and layout, this may appear in the top navigation or near the bottom of the page. If you don't see it immediately, scroll a bit and keep an eye out for a menu or section labeled More. This menu collects additional links that aren't front and center on the homepage. Inside the More menu, click on Support. This is where TikTok publishes guides, FAQs, and resources that address common issues. The support page is designed to help you solve problems without guessing, so it's worth getting familiar with it. On the support page, choose See Other Topics. This expands the list of help categories beyond the most common ones shown on the first screen. It's a handy way to reveal everything available, especially if your issue isn't listed right away. From the expanded topics, select Network Problem. This section focuses on connection and loading issues, such as videos not playing smoothly, errors while browsing, or trouble reaching certain features. Here you'll find explanations and recommended steps provided by TikTok, tailored to diagnose and resolve connectivity hiccups. Read through the guidance carefully and follow what applies to your situation. Because these resources are maintained by TikTok, they reflect the latest changes to the site and known fixes. That's the full path. Use Google to find the official TikTok site, click TikTok, make your day, open the More menu, go to Support, tap See Other Topics, and then choose Network Problem. If the layout ever changes, look for similar wording or use the search bar on the support page to find network content quickly. And if this page is especially useful to you, consider bookmarking it for faster access next time. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly where to go on TikTok's site when you need reliable help with network issues.